Hey lovelies, welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this Bailey's chocolate parfait. Super simple to make, and of course it's delicious.
Better can't cook. Ticket you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
So let's start with the Oreos. I'm going to add 12 Oreos to my food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can always add these to a bag and just smash them, just crush them up. But I'm just going to run mine through my food processor. It makes the process so much easier. Once you get that done, you can just rest this to the side. Then we're going to work on the cream, which is heavy cream, and this is 250 ml of heavy cream. So I'm going to add that all in my bowl, and this is super chill. You don't want this to be warm at all. Alright, so that's all in. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with my hand mixer, and I'm just going to be mixing this until it gets to a stiff peak, just like this. So this on its own has absolutely no flavor. You've probably heard me saying that a million times. So I'm going to add to this some powdered sugar, and for this section you can add this according to your liking. You might need it not so sweet, but I'm adding a 1/4 cup of the powdered sugar, and I'm going to mix that in with my hand mixer. And then that's it for the white part of this parfait. So you don't want to waste anything, so you get all that cream mixture off. Then I'm going to, here I have some chocolate that I melted, so I'm going to add, well, half of this, or however much you want, but half of this will be ideal for this. So I'm going to add half to the chocolate, and then I'm just going to mix it around to get the chocolate and this cream nice and together. Alright, that'll take about a few minutes, 2 minutes or such, and this is what you should have. So you can rest this in the fridge because you don't want this to end up being the heat to spoil this. So now comes the Bailey's rum cream, and I'm going to add that to what's left, and then I'm just going to go back in with my hand mixer, and I'm going to mix this all around. If you don't want this to be Bailey's chocolate parfait, you could always add something else to this, maybe like rum or whatever else you think would be best for your parfait. But I'm just going to go back in with my hand mixer, mix everything around, and ensure that this is still at the nice stiff peak. Alrighty, a few minutes will get that done, about 2 minutes, and that's it for the white cream. Or this is not so white, but yeah, this is it for this part of the cream. So now we really have everything, so we're just going to set up everything. That was easy, right? So I have my container here. I'm going to go in with the chocolate mixture first. You can do white, then chocolate, up to you. So I'm going with chocolate. Yeah, shake that down. Then I'm going to be, you can add your Oreo, or you can add the white cream, the Bailey's cream after this, but try doing this without making a mess. So I added chocolate, then Oreo. So now I'm adding the Bailey's mixture. And then if you want, you can go go in with another layer of Oreo. However you want to design it, it doesn't matter. Once you have the Baileys, the chocolate and the Oreo in it, then it's just perfect. It's fine. So I'm adding another layer of chocolate here. And guys, do this in a cool place. Yes, because this cream will just melt on you. You don't want that. So do this in a cool place, yes? Add in some more Oreo. And once I clean up, I'm just going to top this off with some whipped cream. My whipped cream, you know, the place was so hot, so it was kind of melting, but I still got, you know, for one of them I still kind of got that nice little style, which I loved. And that's basically it. You can just serve this up with some extra Oreos. You know, have a little side of Baileys, but that's it. Perfect. Mine was melting a little bit here, but this was so nice. This is so good for dessert. Really yummy, guys, and so simple to make, right? So show some love in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on. Visit my website at roma'skitchen.net. Thank you for watching.